Hello, this is Hart speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought a new refrigerator and need help with the installation.
That's great. Congratulations on your new fridge. Let's schedule your installation together. Is it already at the address where you want it installed?
Yes, it's in my kitchen.
Perfect. Would you like me to use the phone number you're calling from, or do you want to give another one?
Please use this number. By the way, how can I buy an extra warranty for my new fridge?
Absolutely. I'll use your current number for the appointment. You can purchase an extended warranty anytime through our website, mobile app, or at any authorized service center. Now, I'll continue with your request. Under whose name should I book the appointment?
Mark Johnson.
Thank you, Mark. Could you please provide your city and full address for the installation?
It's 565 Wingate Drive, East Meadow, New York, 11554.
Got it. Just to confirm, that's 565 Wingate Drive in East Meadow, New York, 11554. Correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. I'm checking available time slots. The first available slot is tomorrow between 2 and 3 p.m. Would that work for you?
I'm not available tomorrow. Is there a free slot on Saturday afternoon?
Yes, we have one this Saturday, October 4th, between 3 and 5 p.m. Should I book that for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. Your refrigerator installation is set for Saturday, October 4th between 3 and 5 p.m. Please make sure someone's home during that time. You can also ask the technician about our complementary eco-friendly products. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thanks.
You're welcome. Thanks for choosing us. Enjoy your new refrigerator and have a great day.